Mogra jasmine is like a king of summer season that gives you hundreds of blooms in its season. Its pleasant smell is also a main reason that attract the nature lovers to grow this beautiful flowering plant. The white fragrant flower of jasmine plant also looks very beautiful that enhance the beauty of your garden. Due to some sort of reasons, our jasmine plant starts reducing their flowers and sometimes we can't get blooms. Therefore in this video, I am going to solve this problem that why the jasmine plant not blooming. If you solve these simple reason your jasmine plant definitely grows lots of beautiful flowers. I have about 4 main reasons that causes the less blooming of Mogra jasmine. So let's talk about them one by one. Reason number 1, improper sunlight. The main reason that makes the jasmine plant not to bloom is the sunlight. The sunlight is the basic requirement of every plant that keeps every plant healthy. And the importance of sunlight for the flower-producing plants like the jasmine is more than any other plant. Jasmine plant requires at least 5 to 7 hours of direct sunlight exposure. In the shady area, the jasmine plant never produces flowers. Sunlight is very much important to get flowers from the jasmine plant. So you have to place your jasmine plant in a sunny area where it can get 5 to 7 hours of sunlight. Reason number 2, pest attack. The another reason is the pest attack that can also makes the jasmine plant not to bloom. Make sure your jasmine plant is healthy enough to produce lots of flowers. The jasmine is attacked by many type of insects and pests that cause different type of symptoms on the plant. The pests are mainly hide themselves under the leaves, so you can check there. The jasmine plant commonly shows rusty leaves, patches on leaves, and curls also. If your jasmine plant is also facing these type of problems, you have to solve this first. You can use any pesticide spray on the jasmine plant every 2 to 3 days. And you can also use a neem oil pesticide spray that is very efficient to solve the pests problem. I have made a video on making of neem oil pesticide spray for all plants, that you can check from description and I button. First make your jasmine plant healthy and then aspect flowers from it. Reason number 3, nutritional deficiency. The first 2 reason makes the plant not blooming. And nutritional deficiency causes the less flowering of jasmine. If your plant is producing a very less number of flowers, then you have to fertilize your jasmine plant to get more and more flowers. Fertilizers boost the growth of the jasmine plant and number of flowers also increases. I have made a video on the fertilizer of jasmine plant that make it more and more blooming. I have added its link in the description and I button. You can check out that video. Reason number 4, improper watering. If you make the soil a little moist all the time, the plant grows very well. And if you have overwatered the plant, immediately lose the upper layer of soil and place it in a sunny area, so the soil can dry out. Jasmine plant is a vine-natured plant that requires only a little moist soil. So these are some reasons that mainly cause the less blooming of jasmine plant. If you solve these problems, your jasmine plant definitely grows lots of blooms. Hope you like this video and for any question comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified.